Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Discovery. The Discovery is a mid-sized SUV with true off-road capabilities from the British carmaker Land Rover. This 5-door SUV will take you through town with ease and allow you comfort and security in extreme driving conditions. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, braking assist, rear fog light, power brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.